Are you and your family saving for retirement? We recently put out a video on people in the United States that are saving for retirement. And that showed that there was a major gap between money saved and money needed for retirement. What we decided to do was go out on the streets. We went to a beach in Cleveland and we went to a food truck area on a Wednesday, Walnut Wednesday. We're gonna be there more often. We went and talked to people and said, hey, where are you? What is your savings? Are you even thinking about retirement no matter what age you are? And here's what we found out. What's up, Matt?
How are you?
I'm Mo, how are you?
Me too.
Nice to meet you. So he explained we have a YouTube channel. We're just asking people, super basic, no right or wrong answer, okay? Are you saving for retirement right now?
Yes, I am.
How old are you?
23.
Good for you, that's awesome.
Thank you.
What are you invested in to be doing that? Is it through your work? Are you doing it individually? What are you doing?
So I have an individual retirement account, and then I also have a 401k through my work. So
That's awesome. Do you know what's in your 401k through work?
I know what like different stocks and investments are in there, but I kind of just let the company handle it.
So, do you invest in the stock market?
Indirectly, yes. I have my deferred annuity and through my job, so I just choose the option that they know what my goals are.
Yeah.
They know what my retirement range is. I'm looking at 2030, and from the time I've started it to now, they make those decisions because I don't trust myself to.
So, are you saving for retirement right now?
Well, I have an IRA.
Yeah. Is retirement the main goal?
Yeah. And that's about my savings right now, which is really sad. I don't really have much. I don't think I have anything else really
That's fine.
other than the IRA right now, yeah.
Good.
I mean, I know most people my age don't have something like that.
Yeah, exactly. Are you invested in the stock market?
Yeah, I am.
What kind of stuff are you invested in?
Boeing stocks, the index funds, like
Oh, okay.
3 index funds.
So you're invested in like ETFs and stuff?
Yeah,
Awesome. Is that in preparation for retirement?
it's freedom. I guess you can call
You're
it
searching for financial freedom.
financial freedom.
I have some retirement simple IRA set up.
So you are saving for retirement. You have 401k and IRA?
No, just the IRA. I get a lot of 1099s, so it's a way for me to like not pay taxes on it.
Are you invested at all?
Not like solo, just through like 401k through my company and
Okay.
things. But
Do you have a financial advisor, or is everything through the 401k in the company?
no, everything's through that, and then I have a side Roth IRA that I just bought myself. But that's about it.
Do you manage that one?
Yes.
What are you kind of invested in right now?
Well, it's a fossil fuel free one, so it doesn't have anything in any oil, gas, coal, any of that. So
Got it. This is an obvious question, but you're saving for retirement. Is that your main goal at this point?
yes.
Okay. Good. I like that. Are you invested in stocks at all?
I am not invested in any stocks, but my wife is invested in a lot of stocks.
Do you know what she is invested in or what she follows?
Nope, whatever the company that manages her retirement account, whatever they put it in, it's in there.
Yeah. That's probably the best way of going about it if you don't know, right?
Well, my wife doesn't look at any of the stocks at all. She doesn't even want to see what's going
Oh,
on.
interesting. So
Okay.
she just lets them take it out and...
She totally ignores everything. Okay, now I have a 401c that's in a interest-bearing account, but I'm getting 8.25% interest.
It's pretty good right now.
Very good, but
Yeah,
still
almost
not as good as inflation. I still lost money with inflation, but I did a lot better than a lot of other people.
Yeah. What are you doing as far as, do you have anything saved in retirement? Does your job do that? What's the situation there?
Yeah, I got a personal savings account and then 401k with my job.
What kind of stuff are you investing in?
I want to say it's called Vanguard. They kind of set it up. I don't really know the full details of it, but
Takes money out every month, just kind of puts it in there.
yeah.
On your personal side, what do you do?
Personally, I just have a savings account.
Have you thought about preparing for retirement yet?
No,
Why not?
I'm young, I guess.
So you do it on your own. You have a financial advisor?
No,
Good for you.
I'm my own financial.
I like that answer. Do you have or do you plan to have a financial advisor once you start accumulating more money?
I should have one right now. I would like to have one as soon as possible. Yeah.
Do you have a financial advisor outside of work?
No, not like my go-to. No, I don't.
So do you do your own investing right now, or do you have a financial advisor, work, whatever?
It just goes out of my paycheck.
Okay. Do you pay attention to what it's going into?
I think it's moderate risk.
Okay, so you don't pay attention. You just pay attention to the risk factor that they put on it.
Yeah.
So do you have a financial advisor?
I don't know. I used to, but then I cut him loose.
You fired him?
Yeah.
Good. Keep it that way. Don't ever hire a financial advisor. Out of the 10 people that we spoke to, 9 of them were in preparation for retirement, and we love to see that on this channel. A new survey just came out. Americans expect that they should have $1.27 million to be comfortably retired. But we can see from this chart that the average have saved right now $89,300. That's about 7% of the total expected number. Now, I was curious. So to these people, I said, if I gave you a lump sum of $100,000 right now to do whatever type of investment you wanted to do with it. You could go into one stock, you could go into a cryptocurrency, you could go into some type of private equity. What would they do with that money? Let's go find out. So if I gave you $100,000 today and said, go pick a stock or something to invest in, what would you do?
I have a friend who definitely does some research on this, so I would probably go to him and ask him where he would put his money. I know that he told me I should do, the electric bikes, and I didn't do that, and I definitely kicked myself because now you see them all over the place, and I feel like, I don't know what the stocks are for that, but I feel like, that definitely was something good to invest in.
All right, if you were gonna invest in any stock right now, what would it be?
Oh, that's a good question. I honestly don't know.
That's fine.
Yeah, I don't know.
Fine.
I don't know.
I'm just glad you didn't say AI. So if you could invest in like if I gave you $100,000 today to invest in one stock, what would it be?
100,000. I would do like angel investing. I'll go look around for some very like small startups.
Where you can make a pretty good sizable return over time.
Yeah, and I would join those angel investing clubs and go look for some small people who are trying to come up and get their plan.
Yeah. I like the answer. That's not what I was expecting, but you went a different direction. I like it. If I gave you $100,000 today, and I'm not giving you $100,000, and I said, go put this into one stock, which one would you go for right now?
That's a good question. Somebody told me AT&T has had like a really good run for like 25 years. So I might do that.
So if I gave you a pile of money right now and said, go pick one stock to invest in, what would it be?
Oh, that's hard. Things have been very volatile lately.
They sure have. Or would you take that money and go invest somewhere else?
I'd probably spread it out and diversify, really. I don't like putting all my eggs in one basket.
Good answer. So if you were to start investing in stocks, like let's say you put your money into an IRA and you're going to start investing in stocks, what would you pick?
I don't know. I guess ones that would be kind of stable, or I don't know. Do they kind of do maybe more risky ones in the beginning, and then as you're about to retire down the road, they do more stable ones? I would kind of like, I guess, not be too risky with it.
You know more than you think. You take a little more risk when you're younger, and as you get older, you get more conservative.
Yeah, that's what I would do. Now, the exact companies, I'm not exactly sure yet. I would have to get some guidance on that.
If I gave you $100,000 right now and said, here, go play, invest in something, invest in a stock, whatever it is, what would it be?
I guess I would just pick safer companies that have shown, like steady growth through their time as a company, like Walmart, Amazon, stuff like that. Again, I haven't done enough research to mess with the smaller ones that aren't as storied.
So thank you to everyone that we spoke to. We really appreciated it. And I am really happy to see that the majority of people that I spoke to are thinking about retirement and putting themselves in a good position to retire on time and with enough money in their pockets. So whether you are just getting started on your retirement or you've been in the game for a while and you just need some type of checkup, here's a playlist that we put together on videos about retirement. You will get there, I promise you. Stick to the process and stick with it. Have a great day.